Ah, that's hard. Ah, you bastard.
Oh, look how much come off.
You dirty hair.
I thought you put paper or something on.
Ah, you fucking bastard.
Can you imagine him and Endo?
No, I couldn't bring you into the spa.
That's not it?
No.
Claire, fucking
No,
Jay,
it's
it's
me.
not like that.
I need to put these bits off.
You're like Godzilla, of course it's not it.
Ah, for fuck's sake. Claire,
JJ,
put
no.
that away. Turn that button.
JJ,
On
look.
the fucking that fucking thing. Where is it?
Turn
JJ.
off patches, JJ.
JJ, stop that now. You're being very silly.
You're being childish. Screw up.
Grow up.
Fucking
That's what
hell.
Pierce
Put
gets.
the way off the fuck.
Somebody
Actually,
get
I
him
probably
beer.
could do his back. In all seriousness.
I know. Look at that there. Do that there.
Get the full bag, don't
Okay.
I know. Could you listen to him?
Turn that off, Nino.
Needs to eat
Keep
back.
your. Can you
Put your
keep
head
big
down.
shit?
JJ, you're getting the back sack and crack.
Claire.
Dad,
What?
this won't hurt. Don't worry about
Just
it.
needs to cool a wee bit.
It won't hurt a bit.
This is only a wee tiny bit anyway.
It's a small wee bit.
You ready?
Pull it slow.
Ah, you fucking
Here, see
man.
next one, pull it slow.
No.
Oh.
Likes it.
Ah, you fuck.
I know, that's it.
He's like, I know. Look at him.
Look how smooth that is.
I know. Look, see that bit there. You need see there. See
Stop.
there. It's all right, darling. I'm here. There. Look, see that.
Well, he needs to move his head that
Look at
way.
that. Judy, can you do something with your
Turn your
head?
head that this way.
No. Get me up the fuck.
No,
JJ.
just
No.
Emmons on your
JJ,
neck.
Here, will you go into my room and get a wee bit of the cream for that there? It's very red.
If I get the hedge clippers.
Under my bed. In the,
Feeling-
under my
feeling
bed in the red
nauseous now,
bag.
getting nauseous.
You're not. No, we just do
You
these
need to
wee
get
bits
that
in your
JJ.
arm here.
It's like a rat's
These wee
tail.
bits in his arm.
Yeah,
You need-
look, Claire, look at them, but can you not get them?
You need to get that rat's tail away.
Still.
No, Claire.
Oh, Nino, stop it.
Get that bit there. You need to get that bit there. The rat's tail.
It's not a rat's tail.
Dad, I feel sorry for you right now.
No, he doesn't. No, he
Dad,
don't.
rub that in on him. It's gonna hurt, Dad.
No, it's not.
No, don't rub that in yet, Ethan, because the wax won't stick to
That
the
burns a
skin.
hole usually in
JJ,
the bottom.
put that between your teeth and chew on it.
Mom, just
Oh. OMG. OMG.
Look at that.
moisturizer.
Nothing.
Different cream.
That's a wee bit of mush.
Dad,
Don't fall asleep.
Dad,
The big sleeping bear.
Dad, I don't want them to do this to you. This is against my will, okay?
Shut up.
Right, Jay, bite down hard, darling, because this will be a wee bit sore.
Hey, got a hair coming
You
on.
didn't even make a noise.
Don't we just go ahead and do the whole back?
Yeah, I think they should. Fair now that
Don't
we've got
waste
him
it.
here.
I want to say it.